Hi, Dave Laird here, plumbing and heating in Toronto. This situation here is PEX pipe, and it's used in a heating system. There's nothing wrong with the PEX, and the system's pretty good. But because there's been no effort to control rodents, they've gnawed through the pipe and they've caused leakage. And you can see it dripping now. We got another section to replace in the ceiling. But what they do is they sharpen their teeth like this on the PEX pipe, and they eat right through it, causing a hole, no problem at all. So, now, this isn't exactly Hyde Park, but you can see the rodent droppings. There's quite a few of them. And once the mice and the rats get up and start chewing on that PEX, you've got some expensive work to do on your heating system or your plumbing system. So you'd be well advised to avoid ignoring rodents. And that's it. Okay, bye.